Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make this neckline design. It's very unique and it's for a classy person. It's shining and glistening, and you can see how it looks just when the light hits it. So for this, we are going to be needing this trimming or design. You can get this from the store. You can also get your glue gun and your glue sticks. And then of course you need your material too, which has to be folded. Yes, the essence of folding is to prevent the glue from staining other parts of the clothes. First things first, you measure how long you want your design to be, because I'm going to be spreading it all across. For this one I use 8.25. Then you cut that 8.25, you cut the design out in strips. Then the next thing you do is to determine how wide you want by the number of the grids, the grid points, and I decided I wanted to use 2. You can see it's 2 that I'm cutting out of the design. Then you cut that out all on the strips that you've cut out, because this comes in strips. Then this is it. You can use this in so many ways. You can use this for your corsets, you can use this for your designs. If you want it to be for, if you want to apply to a curve, then you have to maybe make it only one line, not two lines. So there are so many, the possibilities are endless. So now you bring your clothes back, and then now you have to draw the lines back. These lines are to help you as a guide when you are to place those designs. And remember, we used 8.25, so we're going to apply the 8.25 here again. When you apply the 8.25, the width between the lines is 0. You can use 0.25 or you can use 0.5 depending on how you want it to be, but for this project I am sticking with 0.25. Then you draw the lines across all through. You draw the lines across. So the essence of drawing the lines across is so that you can play the designs. Like you can see, just for the lines that I've drawn, I'm placing the designs and showing you how I want the designs to be. So the designs are going to be following the curve on the neckline. It's not going to be ending at the exact neckline, but where I sewed the neckline, where I used bias to finish it, that is where the design will be ending. So you will use the glue gun to apply on the design or on the material on the line, depending on how you want it to be. You can see you can apply it on the design or you can apply it on the material and then fix. I'll be right back when I'm done drawing the lines. So now I'm back. I've drawn the line and you can see how it is. It has to be very straight so that your design will be straight and neat. You can see I went on the edge too as well, on the side of the neck towards the shoulder line. So now I've started applying the designs to it. You can see I choose to apply a glue gun on the lines to make it straight. This will need your time and you have to take your time, move slowly so that you wouldn't stain the other parts of the material. You have to take your time. This is the finished look and I'm sure you are in love with this. This is so beautiful. Like this, the camera light isn't doing justice to how this look. Once again, the material, the trimmings rather remained. You can see the remnants of the trimmings. I can use it for another design. and you can see how this looks so unique. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.